In the heart of Ogun State, where history walks beside heritage, a festival rises once every year. A festival of drums, of colors, of culture. This is Itori Day. Welcome to Mama Ondo TV, the home of tradition, culture and legacy. Iku Oju Meta O, our people. Today we journey into the land of Itori, to witness a festival that brings a whole community together. Itori is a historic Yoruba town located in Ewekoro local government area of Ogun State, Nigeria. Known for its strong cultural identity, Itori is a land of pride, music and ancestry. It is ruled by His Royal Majesty, Oba Abdul Fattah Akorid Okomo, the Olu of Itori, a respected custodian of Yoruba tradition. Itori Day is the official annual cultural celebration of the town, a day when sons and daughters home and abroad return to honor their roots, celebrate their land and strengthen unity. In Yoruba land, festivals are not just parties. They are living history. They are the way we speak to our ancestors, teach our children, and remind the world, Alotia and KOSO Road, home is where identity begins. Itori Day began as a celebration of cultural survival and community bonding, and over the years, it has grown into one of the biggest cultural festivals in Ogun State. Narrator, energetic tone. As the sun rises, the sound of talking drums fills the air. Families arrive in Osoebi. Vendors set up tents. The stage lights come alive. Nothing announces festival like the talking drum, gong gong tia and so oro. From elders in Agboda to children dancing freely, everyone has a place in Itori Day. Battle dancers spin the story of ancestors. Masquerades appear, not as entertainment, but as spiritual messengers. The talking drum calls the body, and the flute calls the spirit. And then, the moment the people await the arrival of the royal father. Kobiyisi Oo. Oba Abdul Fattah Akorid Okomo, Aled Marindilegon, Omo Etufai Ode Ori. May your reign be long. May your wisdom continue to guide your people. Kobiyisi, Kate P. Lori, Kibata P. Lace. ASC. Itori Day is more than festival, it is empowerment. Vendors earn. Performers get paid. Hotels, transport, food sellers, tailors, everybody eats. In a single day, culture becomes economy. That is the power of heritage. In recent editions, the festival has featured popular musicians, comedians, youth showcases, awards, and all-night concerts. From sunrise to midnight, Itori does not sleep. The colors of the festival tell their own story, red for royalty, gold for wealth, green for life. Home fronts, traditional fabrics, stage lights, indigenous motifs prove that beauty lives in African space design. A festival like this reminds us, the future of culture is not in museums, but in people. Young people, your heritage is not old, it is gold. By Omod Bie Subu, Ewekoro, when the youth fall, they rise stronger. Preserve your culture. Learn your language. Know your roots. This has been Itori Day, a story of unity, identity, and unbroken heritage. Let the world know Yoruba culture lives. African culture stands. ASC. Mama Ondo family, what part of Yoruba land are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to Mama Ondo TV, the home of tradition, culture and legacy.